what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regrets. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regrets.
Hi fam.
Hello.
Today we're going to be harvesting our first sweet potatoes, okay y'all? And so that's what we're doing, okay? And so that's it. And we just want to come say hi and show y'all our first harvest, okay?
Yep.
This our first time planting them and our first time harvest them, okay? Sweet potatoes, okay? And we have some white potatoes here too, but we're going to do the sweet potatoes today because we was cutting grass and we discovered a sweet potato.
Yep.
And so
I practically on top of the ground.
yeah, so we said, well, we're going to wait and let the fam see it. So we're going to pick it with y'all today, okay, y'all?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do that. And I'm using my camera phone, okay? Alrighty. Okay, fam, here it goes. That's the sweet potatoes, y'all. These are all our sweet potatoes, okay? Let them see, Ray. Your arm in the way. Okay, look, y'all. There it go, y'all. And we planted this back in April. So they say you wait 120 to 125 days for picking. So this will be 120 days for us. Okay? Look at there, y'all.
Don't want to cut it.
No, we don't want to cut it. Look, y'all. There it go. Look at there, y'all. Yes! Look at there, y'all. Look at there. Y'all, I got slits. And I planted it in April. And now look, me, Ray, and Jamal planted it. Look at there. Look at there, y'all. Look at there. That's our first sweet potato. It can be done, y'all. Okay? So we're going to harvest some more, okay, y'all? Okay, put that in the box. And there goes Cinnamon. Cinnamon want to say hi, too. Say hi, Cinnamon. There goes Cinnamon.
Find another one. Ain't no more down in that hole. Use my hand. I don't mind getting my hand dirty.
Yep, you ain't gardening if you ain't getting it dirty.
That's not even at the beginning of the plant. That's just where the plant grew into the ground.
Yep. And mind y'all, this is our first time planting sweet potatoes.
Yeah. I'll take the more down. Yep.
Okay, that's fine. We're just gonna harvest a few more, y'all, and then we're gonna do the rest off camera.
Yep.
Look at that. That looks like one right there.
Right there.
Oh, okay. And these were slips, y'all. Not sweet potatoes. Now, white potatoes, you can plant the whole potato when you get the eye on it. But a sweet potato, you plant them by slits.
Yep.
There go another one, y'all. That's fine. That's fine. Look at there. Look at there. I hit the smaller ones, the medium ones are the better.
Yep.
Okay.
Grass out here. I don't want to.
Yeah. And y'all, we planted a white potato too. But I don't know if those are ready yet. But we're gonna look over here, Ray. If you can make your way down this way. Look over here. I had some white potatoes down here. And I saw the plant turn yellow. So I know they say with white potatoes when it start dying back. So, yeah, right here in that center there. So I'm just wanting to know what's down there. Be careful now. I'm telling snakes in here. See it right there? It done died off so you can't even find the tree no more. Right here in the center here.
Right here?
Yeah, just dig down there. Got to move that out the way.
Is this it right here?
Yeah, that was it. That was it. See how far they came out? What's that? There go a white potato right there. Yes, better than nothing.
Yeah, there they go.
There they go, y'all. There they go.
There's a sweet potato.
And a sweet potato. Let the family see. They all mixed up together, y'all. They all mixed up together.
Yep.
Let me see the small white potato you had. That's the small white potato, y'all. Small. Just dig it. I don't know when you pull it up. That's a sweet potato.
Yep.
Yes, y'all. There go another sweet potato. So as you can see, they are pretty much all mixed up, and we're going to have to dig a little deeper without tearing them up.
Yep.
So that's why we're taking our time. But we just wanted y'all to see them, that it can be done. There go another sweet potato, y'all. And this is in the backyard, y'all. So it's not much space. It's just our little backyard. But it's a big backyard, but it's big. But you know, it's not no big old barn. But yeah, but look, it can be done, y'all. See? Okay. All right, but we'll look a little more. Okay, fam. So we just gonna finish digging, and we just wanted y'all to see that it can be done, the harvesting. Okay?
Yep.
And here go the big one, y'all. See? Okay? Okay, fam. I'm digging here to see if any here. I want to try to dig it too, y'all. Yep, it is. Look, y'all. Look, y'all. Look at it. You see? You see? Let me go some more, y'all. All right. So we're going to finish digging, but we want to say bye and like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, thanks for joining us, okay? And be blessed.